this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. And coming back to today's video, I have recreated this look of Kiara Advani from one of our most famous film, Kabir Singh. And yeah, this look is iconically famous and very easy to do. And yeah, you can also carry particularly this makeup look on your office or like college. It is a very easy, simple, everyday look. So yeah, if you are interested how I did this, then please keep on watching. So yeah, I'm starting with my primer. I am using my Stay Quirky primer, which I usually use, and yeah, I'm taking a good amount of it and will massage it all over my face. Okay, so next for concealing, I'm taking this purple concealer palette, and yeah, I'm taking the peach corrector shade. This has a really good coverage, as you can see, and I'm applying it all over my imperfections and all over my dark circles, and I will blend it out with the help of a brush. Okay, time for foundation, and I'm taking my favorite Milani, and yeah, I'm the shade 05 Warm Beige, and I'm taking a little one pump of it. I won't apply too much because in the movie she has a really pretty no makeup look, so I'm not applying too much. I'm applying it in dot motion and will blend it out with the help of a blender. Okay, so to next up for highlighting my higher points, because we are going for a no makeup look, so I am taking the yellow highlighting shade and I will apply it all over my face, so it will enhance my features. Okay, so here is the look. As you can see, my base is really looking very natural, as almost I have no makeup on. Now we will set it with the help of a powder, and for that I am using my favorite Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I am taking the banana powder shade and I will apply it all over my face to set the base. Okay, so contouring time, and I'm taking again the same palette, and with the contouring shade I'm not going to too much contour my face because again she has a very natural look. I'm just gonna bronze up my face just to enhance my facial features. Okay, so now for the blush, I'm using the Sugar Mini Blush in the shade Salmon Superstar, and yeah, I will overdo it a little bit because she has pretty blushed face. But why are you looking at me like that? Alright, jokes apart, now time for the brows, and I'm taking the Sugar Archer Eyebrow Brow Definer in the shade Top Tom, and I'm just gonna brush down my eyebrow hairs at first and then fill in them and then just brush them upwards. I'm not doing too much with my brows. Okay, so now for the eyeshadow, I'm taking this Nikake palette and I just use the middle shade of the palette, and I'm patting it all over my eyelid with the help of an angled fluffy brush. And again, I'm doing the same thing with my other eye. Okay, so next I'm taking this shade from the palette, and yeah, I'm just placing it all over the previous shade just to add some depth. Okay, so next up I'm picking this dark chocolate shade from the palette, and I'm just placing it in the outer corner of my eyes, and it will give me a nice dimension, and yet it will look very natural. Okay, so next I'm applying a kohl in the waterline, and I'm not gonna smudge it. I'm just going to apply it half on the waterline on the outer corner. And now for the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation one, and unfortunately it is not available now. And yeah, as we're not going to use falsies, I'm gonna apply it a little bit too much. Okay, so for the lipstick, I'm using this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha, and I'm applying it. And yeah, this lipstick is almost empty. I use it literally too much. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup, and I will finish with these hoops. These are from H&M. These are very basic small hoops, and this is very minimal and will suit with this look like she has in the movie. Now for the hair, I am just gonna part it in from the middle and just gonna clip up the front part, and will make a low ponytail. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. And जो लोग इस वीडियो को डिसलाइक करने वाले हैं उनके लिए sorry just joking, you guys. Do let me know in the comment section below your honest opinion. And yeah, you can also do this very easy simple look to your office or like your college. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.